Give me a second. I'll start recording as well. Okay. So today's topic is notification. So before moving to this topic, I just want to know what are notifications you have noticed till date. Like many of you have tried executing test cases. So what are notifications you come across? Anyone?
You mean like for the email notification or only
Yeah.
regarding the
What are the
HR
different?
activities?
Yes. What are the different activities for which we are triggering notification?
Yeah, in maybe interview, like for the ones we
Yes.
get the interview, or like for the ones we selected for the one category like that, we can set the notification.
Yeah. Apart from this, like who all entities were getting notified?
Interview invite,
Yes.
sending interview invites,
So sending interview invite will
asking
involve.
for documentation.
Yes. So all this notification will trigger to candidate, right? Along with candidate, who all are entity who are part of this
Am I audible?
notification? Yes, yes, you are audible. Um, okay, I'll share my screen. Tell me. Okay. So those who are new, I think so. Varun, you are the only one. This is the one Excel sheet which I have shared in the Google Classroom, where I used to update all the instances. So whenever you want to practice, like actually, I'm expecting you to practice on the daily basis, but like whenever you will practice, just use this instance and don't just the one more thing is you don't change the password of this users. These are the super users and everyone over the everyone is working on the same instance. So what you can do is just create a copy of this users and then you can have access to this instance. Is that clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So this is the one Excel. Apart from this is another Excel which is training. So whatever the topic I'm covering, I've just added this sheets over here. Okay. So next, the today's topic is notification. Okay. So notification is there are the type of notification which we have noticed like whenever there will be a we are share interview for candidate, we are triggering some notification to the candidate. Whenever there will be a some like offer recruiter is releasing offer, in that case we are triggering notification to the candidate. All these are the candidate notification. Okay. Apart from this candidate, there were few different entities like if you have seen whenever any job requisition is created or whenever any job requisition is posted, we are getting notification. Just show you. So whenever there is any job
Yeah, you mean like
yeah,
the recruiter, no? Recruiter
yeah,
and hiring manager, no?
yes. So there will be a recruiter, one more is hiring manager, and another one is like agents are there. Like some agencies were there who are involved in this recruitment process, and those are having the agent login. So again, these are different notifications. And this so one is candidate, another's are recruiter, hiring manager, agent. And apart from this, there are two types of requisition that is job requisition. This means like whenever there will be a job posted or job created in the system. So for this job requisition and one is some another other sorry, job offer requisition. So these are the different types of notifications in the uh, ORC system. Any doubt till here? Like if you want, like there is some another notification in the system as of now. Like whenever we are performing testing, we are just seeing this candidate, recruiter, hiring manager, agent we are not using. So we are seeing this notification. But apart from this, job requisition and job offer, these are some other notifications. So all this okay. So all these candidate notification are configured in the content library. So generally, not only for this recruitment module, whichever the module present on the Oracle, so all the notification which is for candidate, candidate means this is for external candidate. So those are configured in content library. Then next, this recruiter, hiring manager, and agent. So for this recruiter, hiring manager, and agent, some notifications which are configured in the alert composer. This is for alert composer. Okay. And this job requisition and job offer. These are the notifications which are configured from BIP report. So this BIP report, these are totally technical part, but I'll show you like where this BIP reports are there. Through that BIP report, using data model, we can send notification for the job requisition as well as for job offer. Till here, is that clear? Till here it is clear or any doubt? Like these are the different notifications are in the system.
Yeah, it's clear. We can move ahead.
मीटिंग चालू आहे, आवाज नका करा. Okay, oh, thank you. Then next, I'll show you like where these are present. So for the candidate notification, these are then the content library. So whenever you will logged into instance, this is a new instance available today, day 5. So for the recruitment library, you just have to click on setup and maintenance. Under the setup and maintenance, make sure that you are in the this offering recruitment and candidate experience, and then search for content library. Content library. Okay, this is recruiting content. So this recruiting content library is specifically for uh, notifications for the ORC modules, for recruiting modules. So you just have to open this recruiting content library. Now you can see these are the different notifications. Actually, all the notifications are provided by Oracle by default. Like total, even if you load, there are 70 to 80 notification which is provided by Oracle. So you can't edit this notification, but like editing this means like you can't change the category of notification or visibility. But if you want to change the message, like whenever this particular notification triggered, so what message if you want to change, you can do that. For now, just remember like all these candidate notification are configured in this recruiting content library. If you just click on the filters, you can see these are the different categories, like automated agent notification, automated duplicate check. This duplicate check, which we have seen in the CSP. So whenever we want to perform that duplicate check action, you can add this duplicate check notification either for recruiter, either for candidate, or for hiring manager. So these are the different categories which are given by default provided by Oracle for this recruitment module. Okay. This is for candidate notification. Okay. So next is, so for recruitment content library, we have to traverse to setup and maintenance and recruitment content library. The next type is sorry. So next, this recruitment hiring manager and agent got notification through alert composer. So alert composer is, for this alert composer, either you can move to tool from here or just click on this hamburg menu. Under the tool section, you can see this alert composer. So just click on this alert composer, and if you check for alerts for ORC module, just search by IRC. IRC is code for ORC module. So so these are the different alerts configured by Oracle by default for the ORC module. You can see candidate assessment completed. Sorry, so this, yeah. Then candidate assessment completed, candidate assessment error. So whenever we are configuring that assessment section in the CSP, if you remember, so for that particular action, you can add this notification. Then candidate tax credit screening. So these are the different uh, what you can say notification which are triggered for recruiter or hiring manager. We will see like exactly how these are configured. Just I'm showing you like this is the place where all these are configured. So whenever you want to look up for any candidate notification, so for the candidate, you will just move to the recruitment content library, and for recruiter, hiring manager, and agent, you will have to look into alert composer. And this is like I'll show you how to configure this candidate and this alert composer. This is little technical part, like some SQL knowledge is required. So for this, I'll just show you where it is actually. So for the job requisition and job offer, just remember the path. Just click on this home tab. Just give me a minute. Okay, thank you. So till here, it is clear like where we are configuring notification for recruiter. Srujan,
Hi Manali.
yeah, where we are configuring notification for recruiter.
Sorry, I didn't understand the questions.
There are different types of notifications, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there are notification for candidate, notification for hiring manager, recruiter. So whenever we want to configure notification for recruiter, so in which section we are configuring that?
Um, in library,
It is
content library.
content.
Recruiting content. Yeah.
Is this right, Varun?
Is it alert,
Please repeat.
alert composure?
Yes. So for this recruiter, hiring manager, and this agent, we are configuring this in the alert composer. So for the alert composer, like whatever the question I'm posting on the Google Classroom, this is for your benefit. Like you have to crack the interview for this consulting. So just at least be attentive in the session. So in this call, we have seen just now, like for this candidate, we are using recruitment content library, and for recruiter and agent, we are using alert composer. So this job requisition and job offer. Job requisition and job offer. Just traverse to this tool. Under the tool section, there is reports and analytics. Under this report and analytics, if you click on this browse catalog, okay, you can see in this browse catalog, even for this URL, if you just type analytics, you will also get this part. Here in the share folder, there are different folders. If you click on the share folders, there are folders for different functional area. So currently we are working in the human capital management. So just click on this. Under this human capital management, there are different modules. We are looking for, like you can see, this payroll, learning. These are the different modules. So we want specific this recruitment notification. Just click on this X. In this recruitment module, again we are looking for job application, a requisition, and job offer. So just open this job offer. So these are the different notification, like job offer approval, job offer detail, job offer detail. These are configured through data model. This is a total technical part. But if you want to like look at all this notification are provided by Oracle, but as per the client requirement, we used to edit this part, like whatever the changes client asks us. So whenever we are doing any configuration, any changes over here, we just copy this whole human capital section and just put it in a custom folder, and in this folder we used to work. So under that recruitment section, I move the part. This is human capital. Okay, under this human capital there is recruitment, and under this recruitment there is a job offer, and the one is a requisition. So this is, you can see this requisition approval. So any notifications related to job offer and job requisition are configured in this BIP report. This is called as BIP report. Okay, okay.
Can you edit one?
I can edit, but like I'm not supposed to take this topic like this. Is since it is a little technical, I just
Okay.
asked. I'll just click
Can
on
you
edit.
share the
Please
path once more?
just see under the tool section there is report and analytics. I'll just open this. got downloaded. There. This is approval notification. So this is RTF file format. So we just have to add a template. This is BI publisher template. So in this RTF format, we just have to put the template in this RTF format, and depending on the, like, you can see. Okay, so here, like, as per title, whatever the requisition number, all these things are, it is fetching from the database. What is the recruitment type? This is simple requisition approval notification. So these are the RTF file which we are supposed to, sorry, which we are supposed to upload, and then we use some backend SQL coding for this data model preparation.
Is it prepared from front end only, or is it prepared from back end somewhere?
No, it is prepared from front end only. Okay. Okay. So we have to search for this. So we will look at this, how to, like, what are there in the recruitment content library and alert composer. Till here it is clear. Like BIP Punima, if you want to, like, work on, there is one guy, Izaz, like, you can connect with him. He is working on this technical part. So if you are interested for this technical part of this BIP report, but for this we need to have SQL knowledge and all those things. Okay. Okay. So till here it is clear, or any doubt? Am I audible?
Yeah, Manoj, it's clear.
Okay. So just I'll show you, like, how this recruitment content library is configured. Like, there are a number of notification, and how we can conclude that this particular notification is for which section. Okay. Okay. So these are the candidate rejected notification, candidate auto duplicate notification. If you remember, like in that CSP, whenever we are configuring actions in the CSP, so these are the different notification. I'll show you. Here you can see the category. This is automated job application notification. Automated means whenever particular action is triggered, like candidate rejected notification. Whenever this particular action is triggered, this is automatically fetched from the database, and it will trigger in the system. Duplicate check, automated duplicate check notification. Then there are some. This is employer description. Do you remember where this employer description is coming? Like, where we have used this term employer description.
I think while posting
Yes, while we are posting the requisition.
job requisition, there is internal posting and external
Yeah.
posting.
So while posting, before posting, we are before posting, we are just formatting that job requisition. screen visible to you? Hello.
Yes,
Am
Manali.
I audible?
Yes, Manali.
Hello. Am I audible, Indica?
Yes, Manali, but not clear properly. Like for the, it's like for the.
Okay. Now it's clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry.
Oh, now, yeah, now better.
Okay. So here in this job, okay, I'll just open this posted requisition. Just taking time. Here under this job formatting, employer description, recruiting organization description. If you edit this employer description, you can see these are the drop downs present over here. Scroll down. Supremo Bank, Supremo Manufacturing, all these drop down values. So all these are coming from this notification. Okay, it's got locked out. These are the two different instances, but both are the demo. So which one? Oh, this is employer description. If you show filters, if you put a filter on employer description, you can see this employer description, Supremo Fitness, Vision Corporation, Vision. So all this notification. See this category. There are few notification for which mail will be sent or response will be expected, but there are some notification like info notification in which only text message will be triggered to particular candidate. So campaign opt-in, this particular option is there on career side. So whenever if you find like even in this job application flow we are checking this campaign opt-in, but there is no notification trigger to the candidate. So in that case we have to enable this particular notification. So just try exploring all this notification. Just try, I'll just click on this create notification. So in this create notification, you can see like I'm just giving name, I'm creating generally most of the time sorry, most of the time we don't need to create notification. We can use existing notification, but we just have to change the message body. I'm just giving this name notification. You can just copy this. Notification. A category. There are different categories for this. if we want to candidate email update confirmation, candidate job application, merge notification. So based on our requirement, you can just pull any category. For here, I'm just fetching candidate job application. Okay, visibility. Like particular this notification is for internal candidate or the external candidate. That's the visibility. These are the options available. Okay, so here you can just configure message like and you can just put body in between like thank you or just thank you for clearing one round of interview, just prepare for second round. So here token means if you want to do this dynamic like for first, you can just look at this token. Different categories are there like candidate first name, last name. These are the different categories are present in this token, and currently it is showing on decimal value. If you want click on insert, here you can insert. So again these categories are based on like whatever different tokens are available in the system. Context information is specifically if you want to trigger this notification for specific recruitment type, organization, location, you can do that. Finally, again here it is sorry, here you can see version, like you can select the version whichever you want, just enter the start date or click on start on activation. Here there are different candidate first name, last name. These are different tokens are available. You can just insert subject token and SMX. Generally we don't need to do all this thing. The only requirement is if for as per the specific client, if client want to edit particular this notification, in that scenario you can change this message text, okay, and make this particular version as active or inactive. So these are the different options available. Okay, any question till here? Okay, till here any question?
No, Manali.
Okay, so just explore this thing like content library. What are the different notification? There are notification for posting description, there are notification for interviews, there are notification for feedback gathering. These are the different notification which is already provided by Oracle. You don't need to work on new notification. Just just have a look at all the types of notification, because whenever we are working on the real time project, we are facing these problems like for particular, even if you have enabled this duplicate check, there is no notification triggered for that duplicate check, even for the collect feedback. So whatever the different options are there on any requisition, we are moving candidate from specific phase to specific phase. So whenever we are like candidate is not getting any notification, recruiter is not getting any notification, so we should come to know quickly like where we where exactly the problem is, so we can easily check particular that part like content library for the candidate notification. Sometimes what the problem we are facing is even we have created requisition, and a candidate is applied for that requisition through career site. So there are the notification which is triggering from system, but candidate is applying from the mail, and we are not getting notified all for that all those mail. So again, for all those notification, we need to check like what are the different configuration for all the in all those scenarios, because currently you are what you are doing, like whatever I'm explaining you, you are just exploring all those. Just go beyond all those things, because whenever a new project, whenever you are working on the project, we never know like what kind of issues we are come up with. But whatever the faced by me, I'm just telling you all like these are the main problems whenever we are working on the projects. Okay, so just explore this part. Content library, tomorrow we will cover this alert composer and some schedule processes. Okay.
Okay, Manali.
Okay.
Okay, Manoj. Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.